Guys, it's been such a long time since I have filmed a podcast episode for Building a Freedom Fund podcast. And it's been about 2 months since I recorded a podcast episode. A lot has happened. I've been very busy with work and my business, so I just didn't have time to really sit down and film an episode, but I had this really great episode idea. We're just talking about how AI has really helped me run my business whilst I'm working a 9 to 5. My biggest struggle with trying to build my freedom fund whilst working 9 to 5 is I don't have the energy, the brain power to really think of ideas or to get things done. I like to be really efficient, and ChatGPT AI really helps me do that. As you guys know, I'm working 9 to 5. I'm building my coloring book business and I don't have a lot of time. Here is how AI has helped me or assist me with being more efficient and just faster and prevent me from feeling really burnt out from burning out when I'm trying to work on my business. The first thing that it has helped me is basically my assistant in writing, and in terms of writing product descriptions for my coloring book business. It helps me generate title ideas and has helped me immensely, especially for social media. I am aiming to try and be more consistent in creating content. But one thing that I really hate doing is thinking of captions and hashtags of what to use, especially my coloring book business and my podcast business as well. Honestly, I don't even know what description to write when I'm posting. AI has helped me do that. They generate different title ideas, description ideas, different hashtags, and it helps me optimize and write out the right description for each social media. It tweaks it based on what it for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and it is such a good idea, and it helps me generate different content ideas as well. What videos I should create for TikTok. If I'm feeling like that week I'm really low in energy and I don't think I can make a high effort content, I also specify I want some really low effort content that I can create. I can just be more consistent in posting on social media, and it has helped me suggest low effort content to create as well. I used to create for Pinterest, helps me write my SEO, different titles. It helps me in the writing parts of my social media. Number 2, it has helped me plan my busy week. My gosh, there's so many things that I want to get done in the week, because sometimes I don't have the time to do it. That's because obviously I have my 9 to 5, and then I have extracurricular activities. I have my social life, and now I'm adding on gym into my life. Because I'm already busy, I sometimes ask ChatGPT for advice of how I can do all that without burning out, how I can structure my day, and he has really suggested different things I can implement during the week, maybe doing some light admin tasks during weekdays after work or before work, and doing some long, deep focus sessions during the weekend. It has helped me plan my weekly schedule, create to-do lists, and break goals into smaller tasks. It has helped me plan content for the week, as I said, different product ideas. Sometimes I need an idea of a page that I want to create, coloring page I want to create, or the next coloring book I want to create. Ask AI what's been trending recently, what's the market has been loving recently, and just helps me organize my business plus my life. And I haven't even tried this myself, but you can also ask ChatGPT to help prioritize what is important to work on this as well. The third biggest thing that's immensely, this has to do with the editing software CapCut. I know CapCut has an AI feature as well that helps users edit their videos faster. For me, it has helped me immensely because I film a lot of podcast episodes and I film a lot of vlogs. It has helped me in terms of the transcription editing. Instead of me having to hear the actual audio over and over again and see where the mistakes is, all I have to do is transcribe the whole video, read it. CapCut has this feature where it immediately deletes all the spaces and filler words. All you're left is with what you're actually saying, and all I have to do is quickly read, delete the points, areas of the podcast episode that is not really needed. All I have to do is listen to it once. I can honestly basically edit a podcast episode in under an hour or two, where it would used to take me a whole week because also I'm working on other stuff as well. It has really cut down on the editing process. In terms of the actual video, I'm trying to edit a video for my coloring book business. I haven't really found a way to edit that faster. What I have been doing is I just been editing it on my phone, and I know it takes a lot of space, but in any free time that I have, I'm at work, on my break, that kind of stuff, commuting to work, not commuting to, I drive to work actually. My lunch break, when I have some spare time, when I'm eating realistically is when I have some spare time or I'm waiting for something to load, I just edit the video my coloring book business. Other ways that AI can help you edit faster is to rewrite sentences, to fix the grammar, and turn ideas into clear writing. It helps give podcast outlines, which is what I've done for this particular episode. I had some ideas of what I wanted to talk about in this episode, and it just helped me flesh it out. I didn't ask it to make a rough script because I feel like there's no point. I'd rather just speak from my heart, but it just gives me the ideas of what I can talk about. I also asked AI what other things it can help me in my business. And here's what it came up with, especially for my coloring book digital product content creation business. It can help me with product ideas. So that was new coloring book themes, page ideas, bundle ideas, the content book ideas. And it has also, what's so good about it, it gives me suggestions of what I should ask it. So based on what I've told them previously, which is really good. It can help you with market research and understand the target audience, what the customer wants, pricing, everything, competitor ideas, product listings, which I mentioned earlier, and content ideas, which I mentioned earlier. It can help write email and newsletters. I don't necessarily need that feature at the moment because I'm not really building an email newsletter. It can also help with planning productivity, which I mentioned that earlier. Plan my week, create business goals, create a monthly plan, create content schedule, launch plan, roadmap, and just branding ideas, scripting, repurposing content. That's something really good. So turning a podcast into Instagram posts, TikTok ideas. Repurposing content, I feel like, is such a useful tool helping us repurpose content because it takes so much, especially for my coloring book business, to create content. It takes so much time, especially if I'm doing a color with me TikTok video where I'm coloring out coloring page. That takes so much time to edit, post, and to color in, edit, and post. It would be great if I could repurpose that into other social media types and stuff. Business strategy, basically what I've kind of mentioned previously as well. So those are the things AI can do to help you with running the business, and this is especially helpful. Oh my god, I'm getting so hungry. I don't necessarily think AI is a bad thing. I know people are very against AI, but it is the thing of the future. It is what's happening. It's already here, and it's the thing of the future. And if we don't conform with it or learn how to use it properly, we're going to fall behind. People are already using AI to help build their business, to create so much money out of it. Since it's already here, we should use it to our advantage and make it help us be more efficient. And that's basically all I have to say today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this podcast episode and it's informative. And I know I've been very slack with this show. Do you want to continue creating more content, just bringing more value, and just sharing my journey of building my freedom fund? Thank you guys so much for listening, and I'll see you guys next week.